Hello. I-flex ko sa inyo. Itong dalawang ito. Ayan o. Ang kulit. Nagsasalita na sila. Ayan. Bago po nyo panoorin, mag-subscribe naman po kayo sa aking YouTube channel ng Saturn's Toys and More. Ito po. Pwede nyo po itong mabili. Kaya i-flex ko. Vintage na po sila. Ayan. Ang mga toys po na ito ay year 1995 pa na manufacture, kaya super vintage na po ito. Yan. Ang mahal po ng Toy Story toys, lalo na vintage na. Isang Woody character pa lang nagkakahalaga na ng yung pinakamaliit nagkakahalaga ng 5,000, ganyan po. Basta original. Yan. So ito ipeplex ko sa inyo. Hindi ho ito pwede paghiwalayin dahil sila ay nag-uusap. Meron po silang cord. Yan. Kaya sa may gusto nito ay imensahe nyo lang po ako. Yan. Para mabigyan kayo ng discount. Super vintage. Toy Story Toys. Jessie and Woody.
Gang is back in town.
Hey, Woody! What do you say we play with the critters? The Roundup Gang is back in town.
Nag-uusap sila.
I'm talking to you.
Hey, sure. Wanna hear a joke?
I wear this badge to keep the outlaws away.
Ang ganda naman nito.
Hey, sure. There's a snake in your boot.
I'd like to talk to Jessie.
Oh, Sheriff! Calling Sheriff Woody. Sheriff Woody, you gotta take care of yourself. You're a collectible.
Hey, howdy, hey, Jessie.
Hey, Woody, I got a great knock-knock joke. You start it. Hey, Woody, what do you
Okay,
say we play with the
knock-knock.
critters?
Says knock knock.
I'd like to talk to Sheriff Woody.
Jessie.
Calling Jessie.
I like talking with you.
I'm talking to you.
Yoda, you follow me, okay?
See? Works pretty good, doesn't it?
Ganda naman ito. O, ayan, bilhin nyo na.
You already had